Hey you guys, and what is up? So look what we have here. I already opened it up to remove the bubble wrap and also just to make sure that it's open for this video, but this is more goodies. I'm so excited. So let me show you all what we got going on here. I bet some of y'all are very excited to see what is in here. So let's get started. And also, if you're new here, my name is Annabelle, the Curvy Planner on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, all of social media. Well, let's go ahead and jump in this. You guys, so what you saw in the box is actually the back to school launch. It's all the stuff that is coming out here pretty soon. It is expected to release on March the 3rd. If anything changes, I will make sure to leave the updated information on the screen. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I have the box next to me because it's actually pretty big. Let's just grab the first thing that we have here, which is this super cute calendar. It is a Undated week view notepad. It comes in this extra packaging. I think this is just for shipping purposes, but this is what it looks like. That is so cute. I love the little Mickeys. Ever since going to Disney, I went for the first time in June. No, was it June? Oh my gosh, was it June or April? I think it might have been, yeah, it was April. We went to Disney World and then I went to Disneyland when I went to Go Wild. And ever since going to Disney, I've just been kind of like low-key loving everything Mickey and Minnie and everything Disney. So this is so cute and I feel like it's so subtle and you can easily cover this up if you wanted to. But I feel like it's perfect for if you don't want to do a lot of decorations and just have it on your desk. It's just really pretty. I love it. So that is one of the items. And then along with, I guess let me show you the front. Along with that notepad, kind of like the same collection looking thing, you do have this planner accessory pack. It includes quite a bit. It has a note paper, stickers, a folder, some sticky notes, and a little divider. So let's take this out so you can see everything. Cute. So I'm not gonna, should I remove this? I don't know. But here is the little divider. It says teachers change the world one child at a time. So true. The amount of work teachers do. Good God. And then these are the little sticky notes. How cute are these? And then you have the sticker sheet. It's like very like functional. But it's like perfect to keep in your folder, like on the back of your planner or wherever. I'm obsessed with this and I'm so sad it says teachers, but maybe I could put like a sticker over it or something, or washi. Oh, I'll have to figure it out, but I love this so much. I love all of this. It's just beautiful. So I love it. And then you also have the note paper, which looks pretty similar to this. So that is pretty exciting. And it says, be a highlight in someone's life today. How cute. And then the back looks exactly like the front. So that is adorable. I love this so much. I am so excited. I wonder if there's a planner. I don't know exactly what is coming. I only have what I received in my box. So I'm really excited to see what the rest of Squad got, and also what's going to be available at stores. So I'm excited. I wonder if there's a planner like that. Like I may have to get it. We'll see. Let's continue with like accessories. Just like knock them out of the way. Another thing we have here is an Undated teacher extension pack. And this is what it looks like. I'm not a teacher, but I know there's a lot of planners out there that use the teacher layout for like regular life. So you can use it however you want. You can customize it. That's the beauty of a happy planner. So this is the first divider you have here. This reminds me of like the Ferris wheel, or the wheel, we call it what? The Wheel of Death over at Disneyland. I didn't get on it, but I wish I would have. Anyways, this is the monthly section. Look how cute these are. I love the little pencil right here. And then this is the weekly section. So it will look the same because it's undated, but that's what that looks like. This is the divider. I feel like there has to be a planner that looks like this. Oh, I don't know, but I love it. I wish, if there's not, I wish there will be. How cute. Aww. Was this in the other one? I don't think it was. I don't remember. Let's look. No, it wasn't. So that changes a little bit, including this one. So that's adorable. Is it the same color? I think it is. Yeah, it's the same color, I think. Let's make sure. Yeah, it's the same color, like the Mickey heads. Messy classrooms are where the fun happens. Cute. And then you go back to the same little characters as the first month. Adorable. And then this is the last divider for the love of learning. So cute. And then this is the folder. School is cool. That's so cute. I honestly wish there was like something like Happy Planner. Oh, I forgot to show the stickers. So you got some functional stickers, obviously to date your planner, or you can just honestly use a pen and call it a day, because sometimes that is a lot easier and you don't have to work so hard for it. But that is what that looks like. I feel like, okay, there it goes. I like to put things back in their packaging after, but yeah. And then this is some note paper. This is the teacher note paper. It comes with 40 sheets. It says all the things, but you can use this even if you're not a teacher, because look how like neutral it is. The back of it just says jot it down. So I mean, you can, and the only thing that has like teacher related, you can say, is the apple. So you could use this even if you're not a teacher. I feel like this is very functional. The other thing we have here, which is for teachers, is the, this is the paper, I don't know what they would call this. Well, checklist. So you can add like the person, like the student's name, maybe like a task or something, the day or whatever, if you're running like a assignment, making sure everybody turned in their assignments. I don't know. But there's also, maybe you can also use it for like your chores. Or maybe like if you are trying to get into social media, maybe you can write down like a list of like videos or the days of the week or something, and then just like check it off, make sure that you're doing it, or, you know, stuff like that. So I feel like this could be used any way that you decide to use it. The other thing that we have here is a Villainous planner accessory pack. So usually it comes with the same like items. So it comes with a divider. Look how cool this is. I don't know a lot about villains, but this is what you have here. Cute. I love the red. It's like a really deep red. Also, I'm so sorry if you can hear my voice is a little, I'm not sure if you can hear it on camera, but I feel like my voice is a little cracky. Allergies are really bad in San Antonio right now. And then these are the sticky notes. This is really cute. It would go really good with the undated or dated Villainous planner. Dare to begin. And then you have some stickers. Cute. So that is what you have with this accessory pack. And then it also comes with some note paper. So let me show you all that. Again, I like to keep things very organized when I'm unpacking these things. Ooh, this is really pretty. Oh my gosh. So this is the note paper. It has the villains down here. I like the color, the purple and blue. It's very like deep. Oh, and it's the same thing on the other side. So that is really cool. I know there's a lot of people that are really into villains. I'm personally not, but it's a really cool accessory pack for those people that do love villains. I know Chris from Plan Your Truth is like so into villains, so definitely check out his unboxing. I feel like he would be obsessed with everything. Okay, so there was two more. So these are in the big. These are for the Villains collection. This is really cool. You can use this as a daily, like a daily planner, because you could easily use this side for like your schedule and then this side for to-dos, or opposite, whatever works for you. But this is So cool. Oh, and it has the other ones. So it's not just, who is he? Scar. Is he Scar? I think he's Scar. Don't come for me if I'm wrong. Because I'm not sure. I'm so bad with names, and also like I'm not really a huge fan of villains. But right, this is so cool. So it comes with different ones. Let's open it up. I want to see the other colors. This is some big paper. Okay, so the other side is Ursula. And then over here you have more of the same one. Okay, so here's where it changes. So you have this one. I feel like it transitions pretty well into this character. And then the back you have Cruella de Vil. And then it looks like the rest of it is Cruella. That is so cute. Ever since I saw the first Villains collection they came out with, the colors are just absolutely beautiful. I love how like bold they are. And I feel like it's usually like Happy Planner usually does stuff that is more vibrant than like, I don't know how to explain it. More like girly, if that makes any sense. And I feel like this is just like exactly what I would think of like Villains. So that makes me really excited. And I know there's a lot of people that love Villains. And then this is an Undated vertical extension pack. And it has Cruella de Vil here at the front. Let's open it up. So you have Cruella. I've never used a big planner. I've thought about it for Faith, but look how big it is. It's so cool. So you have the monthly section, weekly. This is your currently page. Ooh, this is pretty. This is the weekly. Monthly. I feel like they did a really good job with these illustrations over here. You have this, and this is the 4th month. And the weekly. And then you have some stickers. You have 2 sticker sheets. I feel like the other one, did the other one only have 1? I don't remember. But anyways, this one has 2 sticker sheets. And then you have your folder. This is really pretty. This would be really pretty on a planner cover, just like this on its own, or like a vellum. Oh, obsessed. Anyway, so that is what is included on this accessory pack, or extension pack, I'm sorry. And that is really pretty. Okay, let me put this away and we can continue with the rest of the goods. So I had to check the other extension pack, which is the Disney one, the Mickey one. It looks like this one does come with 2 pages. I'm not sure if I showed that. I remember only seeing 1, but maybe I'm wrong, but there are 2. So I thought I would show you that. But anyways, let me move all of the accessories out of the way, and then we can go into the planners. Or actually, let's look at this, you guys. I'm obsessed with this. I've been so in love with like the brighter colors, and look at this. This is new to Happy Planner. You can open it when you put your pens in it. You can just push it down, and then it just stands up with all of your pens, and you can actually see all of your pens. So this is so cute. I love the color. It's so adorable. So I'm obsessed with this, and they're just calling this a pouch. How cute. Adorable. Okay, let me go ahead and move everything out of the way and get started with the planners and stickers. Okay, you guys, so let me just show you all the planners that I got, and I will do a separate video with flip throughs in case you're interested of watching a more detailed flip through. You can do that, or like choose not to, you know what I mean? So here we have the teacher like giant accessory pack, which includes like everything you could need. So it has the planner, sorry, one of my hairs. It has the planner. Let me turn this around so we can see what it has. It has the planner, stickers, a snap-in bookmark, plastic envelopes, a folder, the planner with 12 months. And these are the dividers. And again, I'm going to do separate flip throughs of this, so definitely check it out if you're interested. Oh, what a big box. Okay. And then I have also the same planner, but just on its own. And this says, "Only the brave choose to teach." And this is in a big, which I feel like teachers use bigs a lot more than classic size because you don't have to cut down the size of a paper. And then you have this Villains planner, Villainous vibes, and so cute. Oh, also, let me show you all in the planner. The teacher planner, it doesn't have hearts in the discs. So that is something different from this collection. And I believe, yeah, it doesn't have it also on the accessory pack, but it is on this one. So here you have silver discs. And then we have a notebook from the teacher. This is like the same as the teacher collection. It says, "You don't just teach, you inspire." Cute. And then I got this "Teaching is My Superpower" Disney planner. Also has cutouts in the discs. I forgot to tell you all. The notebook does not. So it's just mini clear discs with no cutouts. And then you guys, this is my favorite. I got this Just Do Your Thing planner. It's so colorful and it's vibrant. I love it. And it comes with glitter pink discs. And then I have this journal. It's a Design a Life You Love, and it's so colorful. It's the same, it comes with, it's like the same collection or part of the same collection as the planner I just showed you all. And it comes with rainbow mini heart discs. And look at the inside. I just have to show you all this. Cute. Okay, anyways, I'm going to do flip throughs of that also separate. So if you're interested, definitely check it out. And then as far as sticker books, also I'm going to do flip throughs of everything. So if you're interested, definitely watch that video. And we got the Villainous sticker book. This is like that really big one. So that is one of them. The Whimsy Teacher. And then I got the sticker book. So this is a regular big, the Villainous. The Whimsy Teacher. And this is the classic size. And then I got Brave Teacher in the big. And Modern Bookish in the big. So if you're interested in watching flip throughs of all these stickers and planners, definitely check those videos out. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're interested in shopping any of these items, definitely consider shopping my affiliate link. It's at no cost to you, but it definitely does help me out a little bit. But yeah, if you love this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.